Hello and a grand welcome to all of you on our favorite NEET informative channel Medica Wing. This is Amit and you are watching Medica Wings YouTube channel for NEET Cutoff 2021. In this video we are going to discuss about SCB Medical College, which is in Odisha, Cuttack, and the expected score for NEET in 2021 required for any one of the category: general, OBC, green card holders, SC, ST, PWD, and with all India quota. If you belongs to any other state apart from Odisha and you want your admission to be done in SCB Medical College Cuttack, then what would be the expected score that you must have to maintain in NEET 2021, and what should be your rank, all India rank, so that you can get admission in SCB Cuttack. We will discuss each and every point in this very short video. You please stay tuned with Medica Wing, as well as if you have not yet subscribed this channel and you are visiting first time to see the cutoff of any medical college through this Medica Wing channel, do subscribe our channel so that you never miss an important update regarding NEET 2021. So students, starting with the video, here is the complete cutoff list of state quota counseling after round 2 for SCB Medical College and Hospital Cuttack, which is in Odisha, and this is one of the top medical college in India, and most of the NEET toppers preferred this college in 2020. Also in 2019 and 18, the toppers, rank holders in NEET examination, they preferred SCB Medical College and Hospital Cuttack. And here is the complete list of state quota. The last cutoff after second round of counseling by Odisha JEE in 2020. For all India quota, we will discuss further in this video that what was the cutoff in 2020. And here if you see, then the least mark required for general PH category, right? The general rank of Odisha in merit list, his rank was 4,750 and his AIR was 7,39,600 and 02 the NEET marks required to get admission in SCB Medical College for general PH candidates from Odisha, having 131 marks, and the highest marks that was required by general green card holder ex-serviceman, and his marks was 650. His all India rank was 3,938 and his state merit list state rank was 50, right? Here is the candidate names, here is the institute name, here is the category. This rank indicates the general merit of Odisha state among Odisha candidates in NEET 2020. Here is the all India ranking of the candidates, and here is the category, and in respected category these were the marks required in 2020 NEET examination, right? If you are preparing for NEET 2021 and you belongs to Odisha and your dream is to get SCB Medical College Cuttack in Odisha, then you have to secure this rank in 2021. Approximately these ranks you have to secure to get admission in this college, and for this marks the maximum marks can be mentioned here. Like for general category, the rank required is 7,324, and to achieve this rank you have to score maximum 300, maximum 635 marks. If you score this or above this, definitely you will be getting admission in SCB Medical College and Hospital Cuttack, right? In NEET 2020, the highest marks of topper was 720. Thus, the cutoff in marks was increased very high as compared to 2019 and 2018 NEET examination, but the rank was down due to the adding of new colleges and the top colleges like AIIMS and Zipmar. In 2021, this AIIMS and Zipmar, they will be also in NEET examination, right? Thus, if toppers scores 720 again in 2021, then the marks will be around these marks mentioned here in 2020 column, the NEET marks required for admission in SCB Cuttack, right? There might be difference of 1 to 2 marks, but if the toppers score 720 marks, then the cutoff will be same as mentioned here in this table, right? And if the toppers does not score 720, then these marks will go down for each and every category. But if you are preparing for this college for NEET examination 2021 and your dream is to get admission in SCB Cuttack, then you have to score this much marks. If you score better than this and you are from Odisha as per your category, definitely you will be getting admission in this college. Now we will talk about the All India quota cutoff of this college in 2020 and what would be the expected cutoff for 2021 through All India quota for the students who are not the residents of Odisha, who belongs to any other state of India. नीट के एग्जामिनेशन होगा, हर क्वेश्चन का वो आपको बाय मेल प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा। इसके साथ आप ऑनलाइन टेस्ट जो कि बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, जिसमें कि 200 प्लस टेस्ट हैं और जो फ्री टेस्ट हैं 16 वो आप ऐप डाउनलोड करके ही दे सकते हैं इसके सेक्शन में जाके टेस्ट के, और ये आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिलता है 30 सेट का जो ऑफलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज है पेन एंड पेपर बेस्ड उसके साथ। अगर आप इसे ऑप्ट करना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, वहाँ पर आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, या फिर मेडिकविंग का जो ऐप है गूगल प्ले स्टोर पर आप उसको डाउनलोड करके भी टेस्ट सीरीज़ के लिए ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं पेन एंड पेपर बेस्ड नीट 2021 के पैटर्न पे फॉर श्योर सक्सेस इन नीट 2021। So guys, here is the complete details. Here is the ranks mentioned. Here is the allotted quota. Here is the allotted institute, the course, the allotted category, the candidate category, and the NEET marks for different category required in 2020 NEET examination after second round of counseling. Right? This data has been taken from MCC. We people know that MCC declares the result in PDF format after first and second round of counseling. Even for mop-up round of counseling, they also publish the result in PDF format. It is available in MCC website. If you want to download, you can download that from that website only, but it is very difficult to shortlist those data for any specific medical college and get to know the last allotment of candidates rank in different category. Here we have shortlisted the data and we got these details for different category for SCB Medical College Cuttack. The highest marks required in these category was for general open, OBC and EWS, and the marks was 657. In the starting of video we already told that this is one of the top medical college and most of the NEET toppers preferred this college to get admission. For MBBS, the highest marks required in 2020 was for general, OBC and EWS category. Then ST and SC candidates required 527 and 593 marks. For EWS, PWD and general PWD, the marks was required 311 and 297 in NEET examination 2020 after second round of counseling. Right? If you are preparing for 2021 and your dream is to get admission in SCB Medical College Cuttack, you belongs to any other state apart from Odisha, then you have to secure these marks. In 2020 the toppers scored 720, thus the cutoff was increased, but the rank goes down in every institutes if you talk about the allotment of NEET 2020 for government colleges who are in states, right? So in 2021 if you are scoring above than this, definitely you will be getting admission. You have to maintain these ranks according to your category. These were the details of SCB Medical College Cuttack. In next videos we will discuss about the minimum marks required in Delhi, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Bihar and West Bengal. You please stay tuned with Medcoving.